Juggling multiple Gmail accounts on your computer just got a whole lot easier. This tutorial will guide you through managing multiple Gmail accounts simultaneously on your PC or laptop, boosting your productivity without the constant login and logout hassle. Our primary method leverages Chrome's built-in profile feature. First, open Google Chrome, look for your profile icon. Usually in the top right corner of the browser window, click on this icon. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see your current profile. Select the option to add a new profile or manage profiles. This will take you to the Chrome profile management screen here. Click on the Add Profile button. You can even choose a different icon and name for each profile to keep them visually distinct. Once you've created a new profile, Chrome will open a new browser window associated with that profile. Navigate to Gmail.com and sign in with your second Gmail account. Repeat this process for any additional Gmail accounts you need to manage. Now, to switch between your accounts, simply click on your profile icon. In the top right corner of any Chrome window, you'll see all your created profiles listed. Click on the profile corresponding to the Gmail account you want to access, and it will open in a new window, already logged in. This way, each Gmail account is kept separate and organized within its own Chrome profile, allowing you to seamlessly switch and manage them without affecting each other or requiring re-entry of credentials. By utilizing Chrome's profile feature, you're streamlining your workflow and significantly enhancing your productivity when managing multiple Gmail accounts. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay on top of your digital communications.